It smells like kind of like Bed Bath & Beyond. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristen. How you guys doing? I'm going to be reviewing / trying on. As you guys know, it is no longer Kat Von D, it is KVD. If you guys don't know what went on with that whole situation, there's a bunch of information on YouTube and on the internet, so you guys can go search that up if you want. So the brand is now saying in their title that they are a vegan line, which I think is pretty awesome that it's in the title, and it just flows too. KVD Vegan Beauty. KVD Vegan Beauty is at Ulta now, which is so exciting. I'm glad that they're in there. If you guys want the tea on KVD Vegan Beauty and want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, we got the cat ears on, looking very catty right now. We're going primer first. Is the KVD Vegan. It's like so weird saying it. I'm so used to saying Kat Von D. I'm so used to saying Kat Von D. Now it's KVD. It's not really that much of a difference, honestly, in the change of name. It's still her initials. The KVD Lock-It Hydrating Primer. So the packaging is so cute. I love like this little thing that you have to like take off. I love everything about it. Like the packaging is just like really, really nice. It's like white. It's like a milky consistency. I don't know what that smells. What does that smell like? I don't know what that smells like. I think a little more. So it feels nice on the skin. It smells like kind of like Bed Bath & Beyond. This is literally what I smell when I go into Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like a clean smell. I don't know what that is. It just smells like Bed Bath & Beyond. That's all I know. The primer went on good. I like it so far. Next, we're going to go in with her foundation. This is the 24-Hour Wear Lock-It Foundation. I know she has another one that's medium coverage, and I did want to compare the two, but they don't sell it at Ulta yet, and I work at Ulta, so I didn't get a chance to pick it up, but we're just going to go in with this. This is in the shade Light Neutral. It's the same packaging as the primer. This is in the shade Light Neutral. I'm so pale. I can't even. I'm like, I haven't self-tanned in so long. Hopefully this ends up being my shade. I didn't want to go too pale, but let's face it, I'm pale. We're going to blend it in with a beauty sponge. Applying well so far. It's definitely a full coverage foundation. It's definitely matte too, which I like a matte finish. So obviously it's not my color, but it's okay. It's supposed to be transfer proof, so we'll see. I'm going to put on like a mask and see if it like transfers off. I also don't have her concealer, but I don't see it on the Ulta app. Like I'm looking and I just don't see the concealer. I don't know if we're getting that in or not. So I guess I'll go in with my own concealer and I'll be right back. Next I'm going to go in with the KVD Lock-It Finishing Powder. I got the shade Light Medium. The packaging is so cute. I'm obsessed with their packaging. Like I love like the all black. That's like awesome. I love like the initials right here. Like that's pretty cool. So you open it and there's like a little puffer if you need to like blot throughout the day. That's what it looks like. Comes with a little mirror, which is always good. I'm going to go in with a brush and on the side of my face, and we're going to see what the difference between this side and that side is. Okay, it definitely matted my face. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. It's not too heavy at all. It definitely made this side less oily looking than this side. Oh yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this side. Okay, I would say so far so good. Like, I don't have any of the products not working for me, which is awesome. Next, I'm going to go with the Lock-It Setting Powder. Now, I've heard really, really good things about this powder. I got it in translucent. I don't know if do they have it in other shades? Yeah, so it's only in translucent. So we're going to set the powder with this. Oh, and it comes with a little tiny mini micro blotter too, which is cool. I got the mini one because I'm very picky with translucent powders and I don't know if I would like it. So I'm going to put some in there. I'm going to go in with beauty sponge. And once again, I'm going to do this side of my face and compare it to this side. Let's put this on all over. Okay, So it kind of took a lot of work to put on with the Beauty Blender. I don't know why. Maybe I'll try it with this little blotter, but like I don't like what happened. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know if you guys can see that right over here. I don't know if that's from the powder. My RCMA powder that I usually use, that one usually doesn't do that. It just sinks right into my skin and just disappears. This one just left like even over here too. Like I don't know what happened there. Let's try with not a Beauty Blender. Maybe it was the Beauty Blender. Let's try it with like the little puff it came with. I don't know. It's like you have to do so much work. Let's see if I just do a brush, how it sets. Okay, so this side of my face didn't do that to me like it did it probably was the Beauty Blender. But I tried doing it with this little blotter too, and it wasn't buffing into the skin, so I just went in with like a brush and just like dabbed into my skin, and this side definitely looks better than this side. It didn't flake up on this side, it just disappeared. Yeah, you see just like on this side. I hope I can just fix this side. Maybe if when I put bronzer on it. But if you're gonna go in with the powder, I wouldn't use a Beauty Blender, and I wouldn't use a little blotter it came with either. It's just like a lot of work. I do like it. It's not as great as the RCMA powder that I use, but it's not a bad translucent powder at all. I'm gonna prime my eyes real quick. I don't have her eye primer. I just use concealer for eye primer. I'm not really an eye primer person, so I'll be right back. Okay, primed my eyes. I did use the setting powder to set my eyes. Next I'm going on with brows. This is the Signature Brow. And on the packaging, I noticed it still says Kat Von D on it. Like, I know she's, like, not part of the company at all. She has, like, nothing to do with it. But maybe, like, you know, maybe they had, like, so much, like, packaging that they haven't used. So they decided to, like, oh, let's just use this packaging, you know, until we run out. Then we'll start with the new packaging. I don't know how that works. This is in the shade Walnut. See, like, on the pencil, too, like, on the actual product, it says Kat Von D. I don't know if you can see that. It says Kat Von D right there. So it does come with a spoolie. Thank God. I don't get pencils unless they have a spoolie. It's like my deal breaker. So let's fill in these brows. So far, so good. I mean, it's a brow pencil, so I'm not really expecting bad things out of it. Oh, gotta get my eyebrows done. Or just tweeze them at least. Should have tweezed them before this video. Oh, well. Okay, I'm back and my eyebrow is filled. I don't like the way how I just filled in my eyebrow. I don't know what happened. But, the eyebrow pencil is good. I mean, there's like nothing really special about it. Like, it works, has good pigment, has like a very skinny tip to it. And it has a spoolie, so I started actually going in with my other brow. I was like, whoops, not yet. I'm gonna go on this brow. Maybe this brow will turn out better than that one, and I'll be right back. Back and both my brows are done. I'm just not having a good brow day, so we're just gonna ignore that they're on my face. I did set them with clear brow gel. Like I said, nothing special about it, but it's not a bad pencil at all. It's just like a regular pencil. Next, I'm going to go in with the KVD Shade and Light palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. So I've owned this palette for like years and years and years. So there's nothing new to me here about this palette. I love it personally. The formula is great. The pigmentation's great. It's a great eyeshadow palette. Just going to take a brush and go in with the shade all the way to the left and just put this all over my lid. We're going to go on the bottom row with that first shade. Put it in our crease. Yeah, these eyeshadows are so pretty. Like, I've been using these since like I had no clue how to use makeup. I'll insert a picture of what I used to look like when I did my makeup. Oh my god. Like, it literally looks like I had black eye. I really didn't know how to do makeup. I just did whatever, but you know, practice makes perfect. I've come a very long way. So next we're gonna go in with, I'll go in with the shade right next to it, and we're just gonna put this outer V, blend that in with the transition shade, go back in with the first brush and just blend everything out. I guess we'll go in with, you know what, maybe I'll recreate the look that I used to do, because I think I remember what I used to do. So I used to put white all over my lid, like here. Then I'd put black. Okay, so we're going to do that. So I'm going to go in with the white shade next to the black. I'm going to take a brush like this, go in with the white shade. We're going to put it all over the lid. This gnat is really annoying me. If you're going to stay here, you could give me a review on my makeup. Comment, like, and subscribe wherever you are. I'm going to take the first brush and just blend some of that color into the white because this is scaring me. This is so funny. I'm going to go in with this tiny little brush. This is the same brush I used for years for this black shade. This is so funny. I'm going to go in with the black in the palette. So scary. Oh my god. I'm gonna just blend that out. I'm like getting flashbacks. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we'll leave it that way. I kind of like want to throw a shimmer on it, so maybe I'll do that. Okay, so I threw a little bit of shimmer on my lid. It looks way better. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, back and my eyeshadow is all done. Okay, so next we're going in with the famous KVD tattoo liner. Now, this is like a staple for everyone's makeup routine if you do eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner was super easy to do. The tip is so thin that it lets you get into like the inner corner without you like worrying about smudging. It's a very easy eyeliner to use. It's great for wings, obviously. So this eyeliner is a 10 out of 10. I'm going to do my other eye and be right back. Okay, I'm back and I popped some lashes on real quick. Next, we're going to go in with the Shade and Light palette. I use this thing basically every single day, so this is nothing new to me. I've been using this palette as well for years. I use the two middle shades for contouring and highlighting. I'm going to take this brush and go in with the contour shade, the shade Shadow Play, and we're going to go in and contour. Oh, now you can really see what's going on over there. These shades are just really nice. They're smooth, bringing back some warmth to my face because it was so pale. I'm going to take this brush and go in with, as you can tell, the shade I use the most is Lyric for under my eyes. Sometimes I'll just go in with that alone, or sometimes I'll mix it with Levitation. So I'm going to mix the both shades together, and we're going to highlight under my eye. I'm going to pat down on this so you're not dragging your makeup. It makes such a difference. I'm halfway to hitting pan on the banana shade. I'm going to hit some on my chin, my forehead. I'm going to go back in with the contour shade and just take some on an eyeshadow brush and just go down the middle of my nose. Okay guys, I just put on some bronzer, blush. We don't have the blushes at Ulta yet, but they are coming soon, so I'm very excited to try it. I actually did see a shade that I liked. The color Foxglove, I love that shade, so once that comes to Ulta, I'm going to definitely get my hands on it. I don't know if the concealer is going to be coming to Ulta, but I do want to try the concealer. I have heard good things about it. So yeah, I went in with bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Now I'm going to go in with lip liner. This is the Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Crucifix. It's a brown shade, so I'm going to go in and line up my lips. Oh, it's very creamy. I glided on like a dream. Wow, I don't know how I got to this point. I literally was just going to fill in a little bit of my lips and ended up filling my whole lips, but this color is so pretty. And I'm like so impressed with this. Might be like my favorite new lip liner, honestly. It's creamy, it glided on so nice. The pigmentation is unbelievable. I love this lip liner. I'm obsessed. I have to get every single color now, especially the green one. I love it. I'm gonna put the liquid lipstick in the shade Lolita on top of it. So I've never tried this liquid lipstick. I know, right? Shocking. I tried it for the first time the other day and I was like, wow, I'm obsessed with it. It's such a pretty color. The formula is really lightweight. It's not like too heavy or anything. This lip combo is giving me such fall vibes. I'm obsessed. The color looks like that. So it's not actually this dark, it's just because of the lip liner. I love it. I'm gonna add some gloss to my lips and setting spray, and then the look will be basically done. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I love how everything came out, and even that little problem that I had on my face before over here, like you can't even really see it. I guess like the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight just covered it all up. But I love how my skin looks so far. I'll give you guys like an update later throughout the day after I wear it for a few hours, how it lasts. I'm feeling such fall vibes from this look, and as you could tell from the background, I'm so ready for fall. Bye summer. See you later. Ciao ciao. Adios. Sayonara. TTYL. So let me know in the comments down below what you loved most about this look. What are your guys' favorite KVD products? Any products that I didn't try out, let me know in the comments if you like them, like the concealers, the blushes, the highlighter. I don't know when they're going to come to Ulta. I mostly shop at Ulta, one, because I work there, and two, I have a discount, so I'd rather get products from there than Sephora if it is at Ulta. If it's at Sephora, then I gotta go to Sephora. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you guys know when I post videos. And I hope you guys liked this review / tutorial of KVD Vegan Beauty. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!